Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I want to show you a quick video on how I do my monthly budget. I made this planner for myself on my iPad based off of this planner. And this planner is wonderful. It's just that I needed a little bit more space. So I just made my own, nothing professional, nothing fancy, but it works for me. So we'll start here. So for the month, I have my income written down. My income comes to $33.40 for the month. I get paid bi-weekly, 2 paychecks a month. I have all of my bills already written down and the amounts. My bills total $2,088, which leaves me $1,252, $1,252 left to play with. Now remember, this is for the whole month. So for my cash envelopes, which are my day-to-day expenses, for fun, I want to do 300. And fun is really kind of everything. You know, if I want to go shopping, if I want to buy something for myself, if we want to go somewhere, anything like that. For the kids, they're going to get 50 this month. For dining, that's going to be 150. And that might seem super high, but don't forget that's going to be divided in half because this is for the whole month. So I'm going to divide that by each paycheck. And also, we're a family of four. So if we eat out, you know, we don't just spend $10 or $15. We sometimes spend 40 or 50. So that's why I budget high for dining. For gas, I'm going to do 100. Miscellaneous will be 80. And then Amazon is going to be $100. So if I add that up, my total is $780. Okay, so if I subtract 780 from what I had remaining after my bills, which was 1252, I get $472 left. Now that I can put in my sinking funds and my savings challenges. I think what I want to try to do this month is try to put at least $5 in every single sinking fund. That way, every fund at least has a couple dollars. That may work, that may not. If I decide I don't like that method, the next month I'll probably change it up. But I'm going to try that this time. So I have 472 to start with. Let's see. I want to do definitely, let's do $75 in debt. Let's do 40 in Christmas. Sewing can have 20. Emergency, let's do 50. And as I'm writing these down, I'm subtracting from my total so that I know how much I still have to work with. Oh, I'm getting down to the wire already. Okay, travel, let's do 10. House, let's do 10. Birthdays and gifting, let's do 20. I have some birthdays coming up in November, so I want to have some money for that. Car maintenance, let's do 10. Groceries, let's do 10. For myself, I'll do 20. Medical, let's do 20. And I'm just kind of rattling off these numbers just, you know, off the top of my head. Again, I want everything to have a little bit. So obviously you're going to adjust these numbers to your needs. You know, I could always come back and tweak these numbers if I feel like I want more in something and less in another fund. But for right now, you know, I'm just coming up with these numbers off the top of my head. Clothing, I forget, did I say clothing already? I don't remember. Let's do 10 for clothing. Tummy tuck, let's do 20. Holidays, let's do 10. Penelope, my dog, let's do 30 for her because she, well, you know what, wait, let's add that back. Let's do 20 for her. 147 minus 20. Make sure that's right. I may have screwed up the math somewhere here, but we'll catch it. Household, let's do 10. And then beauty and massage, let's do 20. Okay. So let's add this all up.
75 plus 20, 50, 40. I hate this calculator. 10.
Okay, so I get $375 for my total. So if I take $375 from the $472, I have $97 left to work with for any savings challenges. So I'm going to write the $97 up here. I am doing the puzzle challenge, the jar of hearts, and the penny challenge. Puzzle challenge are increments of 10. So let's do 40 for the puzzle challenge. That leaves me with 57. Let's do $30 for the jar of hearts, which leaves me with $27 for the penny challenge. So if I add 40 plus 30 plus 27, I should get 97, and I do. And then I'm just going to carry all of my totals over. So my income is $33.40. My bills come out to $20.88. My cash envelopes total $780. Sinking funds $375. And savings $97. So if I take my income, I subtract all of these, I should get 0. So let's see. $33.40 minus $20.88 minus $780 minus $375 minus $97 equals 0. And that's perfect. That's a zero-based budget. That's what we want. So now what I'm going to do, and this will be in the next video, but this is my budget for the month. So I get paid bi-weekly. So for each check, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to separate half of my bills, pay half of my bills in one check, the other half in the other check. And then I'm going to divide everything in half. So for my cash envelopes, I'm going, because I budgeted $300 for fun, I'm going to put $150 in each paycheck. The sinking funds, I may do half each check, or I may just knock out, you know, say like the top half here in one check and the top half, or excuse me, the bottom half here in another check. It really doesn't matter. And then the savings challenges, I will split in half. And then if I have money left when I unstuff my envelopes at the end of the 2 weeks, that will either roll over to the next week for if I need some extra money or anything like that, or I will take that out of my wallet and then put that towards some savings challenges as well. So that's it for the monthly budget. Again, in the next video, I'll be breaking it down into a bi-weekly budget, and then I'll be doing a cash stuffing. Stay tuned. Please hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you so much for watching.